Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, guys? Just a quick stream today, 30-minute stream. I got a 30-minute break from McDonald's. That's all I got, so quick stream today, guys. Oh, my boss is already telling me to come back, but I still have 30 minutes. We're all good. We're good. What's up, 201 Crypto? Thanks for the, saying nice background, man. What's up, Sloth Bag? What a name, man. What's a Sloth Bag? Dimitri. Feel that everyone in the chat is either drunk or high tonight. You need to be in this market, man. What's up, Elliot? What the hell with Harmony? It is getting low, man. Alts came down a lot today. Bitcoin's hanging off. I'll say this, guys. I'll say this. This could be an interesting weekend for BTC. Bitcoin is hanging on a cliff at the moment. All right, that's all I'll say. We're going to go over a few things today. Once again, I mean, we're still in our crab range, but hanging on to a few key levels on the monthly, on the weekly. Could get interesting here. Yeah, I hope it gets interesting, because holy man, this is boring. What's up, Clint? I'm actually sober. Hard to believe even for me. Clint, it's not right, bro. You need to have a drink. It's that this stream is not right without Clint being somewhat intoxicated. I need to see grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes in the chat from Clint. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Bathwater, I need jokes from you, man. What's up, Coin Collected? Going lower? I mean, it definitely could. Let's see. I won't be live tomorrow for the monthly close, which is fine because it might be a little bit shady. But yeah, we'll talk about it tonight, guys. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. What up, what up? What's going on, Dan? I saw Drew in here. We're going to talk about the monthly close coming. I know it's coming tomorrow, guys, but don't stream on Saturday, so we're going to talk about it today. Also because we're kind of hanging off, we're hanging on thin ice, man. We're sitting right on top of the 20 EMA on the monthly, right on top of our previous monthly lows, as you guys can see here. We're going to talk about that mostly today. We're going to talk about how Bitcoin's at a lot of support levels, man. Should be an interesting weekend. I'm hoping we dump to get some price action, to be honest.
Nope.
Nope. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you guys all got your, whatever you're drinking here, whether it's H2O, you're being healthy, drinking the H2O, you're drinking the wine, drinking the beer, you're drinking the Trulies, you're drinking the Kool-Aid, you're drinking the Moon Boy Kool-Aid. Hope everyone's having a good night, man. It's kind of another day for BTC. Still kind of just in this stupid range, right, that we're going to talk about today, but we are at some interesting levels on the weekly and the monthly that could maybe point to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin closes below some of these levels, maybe finally we get some price action. Might not be the price action that a lot of the bulls want, but I would take it at this point. I told you guys, like, other than going sideways, I'd rather Bitcoin go down than sideways, man. I really would. I generally mean that. What's going on, Clint? Clint finally opened a drink. I love it, Clint. It's not the same without you slightly intoxicated, like I said. We need to have Clint at least slurring his words a little bit. It's not the same. We need Dan having his crappy jokes in the chat. We need Bathwater having his good jokes in the chat. We need all that, man. We need Drew talking crap, saying he's shorting everything that I'm longing. That's what we need in the chat, man. So let's have a good Friday night. We're just gonna chill tonight. It might not be the longest stream tonight, but that's how we're gonna do tonight, man. All right. Let's quickly check on the weekly time frame, because I know that's sort of what I'm worried about. I guess I shouldn't say worried. I should say that's what I'm sort of keeping my eye on here, for a couple different reasons. Bitcoin is coming up. Do you see this upward sloping support line coming up here, guys? Bitcoin is on the closes coming down to test this right now. So Here's the thing. We got tonight. We got Saturday. We got Sunday coming up. If this breaks, you guys know what might happen, man. You guys know what might happen, and you need to keep an eye on this. If you guys have some fiat on the sidelines, some tether on the sidelines to maybe buy some dips, man, keep an eye on this.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Oh my God! We're breaking the line! Jordan's... Mom! Jordan's been talking about this line for months! We're breaking it! Fuck! Alright, I want to keep it PG. Oh, man. I want to keep it PG here. Grow your hair like Depot? What do you mean, man? Did I get a haircut? Yes, I did, Betty. Betty. Betty, can I answer this, Betty? Whenever I see the name Betty, I think of like a 60-year-old grandma. Now, I don't get offended, okay? Some people will probably agree with me in the chat. Betty's like one of those names, like when you think of Karen, it's like a 40-year-old Karen. When you see like Marilyn, it's kind of the same thing. You think of like a 60-year-old, 70-year-old grandma. Let me know in the chat, Betty. If I'm wrong, I'll take the L, but it is what it is. That's sort of what I see your name as. Looking good, Jordan. Thank you, Slothback. Good, all the hair's cut. Yeah, it's not the only hair I got cut, man. Going to Philly tomorrow. Come on, man.
Bruh.
What's going on, Dan? You know we're going down for real when Bob acknowledges it? Facts. Where's Betty? I need confirmation. All right, but yeah, remember breaking this. If we break this, I mean, we haven't really broken this on a close in really ever. So we're really back since December 2020. So let's watch this. I mean, listen, guys, it is what it is. What I'm more so watching is the monthly close. And I know the monthly close is tomorrow. I'm not an idiot, okay? I'm not going to say the month. Oh, it's the 29th of April. Today's the last month of April. I'm not an idiot, okay? I saw people when I first started the stream like, this guy's a friggin' idiot. The pencil necks were coming in right for my neck, right away. Look at Jordan. He thinks today's the monthly close. He calls himself a technical analyst. I know more about technicals than him. The monthly close is not today, dumbass. Freaking dumbass. It's April 29th, not the 30th. Like, everyone knows today is not the monthly close. Like, you guys listen to this guy? Oh, my God. All right. Oh, God, I have nothing else to do besides troll this chat. Oh, God. Actually, there's one thing I can go do. Let me go get some toilet paper and some lube. Oh, it's one of those nights. All right, but yeah, 38,600. That's where Bitcoin currently is. So this is the monthly chart for BTC. All right, let's take a look at the monthly chart. If we look at this, right? If we look at this, we have a couple interesting things coming on here. We have the 20 EMA coming up here for BTC on the monthly time frame. We got the previous monthly closes coming in right here at 38,434. Look where Bitcoin's sitting right now, 38,624. So we're slightly, literally hanging by a thread coming up on these on the monthly close. Let's see where we close tomorrow. But I will say this. If Bitcoin closes below the previous monthly closes, I will not like that. Okay, I will not like that. I'll be honest. Not going to be flipping bears. I'm still going to be crappish. We're still in the stupid range that we've been in for a year. Going to be crappish, but I would not like a Bitcoin close below the previous monthly closes and also the 20 EMA. Yeah, also for the EMA. Ethereum Classic. Crunchy socks. The pencil neck's going to make some crunchy socks. That's disgusting, man. That's disgusting. The crunchy socks, man. The crunchy socks. I think everyone's been there at some point. No, but the last time we were below the 20 EMA was actually March of 2020. So keep that in mind for BTC. We've only dropped down below that a few times. So keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. That's where we want to close the monthly tomorrow. And that's something I'm going to be watching going into, really, the next 24 hours, man. I already answered. Let's see. You kind of look like a sad savvy. You kind of look like a sad savvy. Dude, I was tired as hell, man. I'm getting... See, here's the thing. It's not that I was tired. It's that my voice and my eyes look very tired in the morning for whatever reason. I don't know why. I've always been like that. No matter how early... I could wake up at 5 o'clock. When 9 o'clock rolls around, my eyes will still look tired and my voice will still sound tired for whatever reason. I don't know why. That's just the way my body works. All right? So deal with it, bro. And it's not because you guys say, oh, you don't drink a lot of water. No, I drink more water than the average hippo. All right? Trust me, I drink enough water. Make Jordan bearish again? Could be coming, man. Could be coming. You know what? I should just say I'm...
Rant alert.
Why don't I just say I'm bearish? If we get everyone to... I've been thinking about this. A lot of people are flipping bearish. If we get everyone to just say they're bearish, will we be bullish again? Just a thought, man. Just a thought. Tired from what? Clint, it's not that I'm tired. I told you this. It's not that I'm tired. It's that my voice gets all cracked up, man. My voice and my eyes. My eyes look like I'm a raccoon, and my voice sounds like I just smoked like 10 ounces of crack. It just said, if you haven't sold anything, switch your thoughts. Everything is on sale and bringing down your average. True, man. I think people are done hearing that, though. That's why I stopped saying it, because I think people are done hearing, buy the dip. Buy the dip. I'm sick of hearing that. So that's why I don't say it. But you're very right, Andrew. You're very right, Andrew. The people who are buying at these times will eventually be back, and they will be the winners at some point. That's facts. All right, so we talk about the weekly. We talk about the monthly. We talk about how we're kind of just hanging on a thread on these two time frames, right? The weekly and monthly. Let me do a poll real quick. Let me do a poll. Because this is interesting, because I asked the same thing 3 days ago and like 6 days ago, and the answers are completely different. What happens first for BTC? Steve said, I like weed. Nice, man. Oh, excuse me. The wine's coming up already. What happens first? We did 55K. We did 30K. Let's ask it again. Something tells me it's going to be the exact opposite as it was last time. Every time Bitcoin goes up, it's like 60% bullish. Every time Bitcoin goes down, it's like 60% bearish. So let's see. It's probably going to be 60% bearish again. All right, let's see. So on the 15 minute, we sort of had this falling wedge on the 15 minutes that we looked at earlier. We broke down from that, actually. And then we came back up, and it looks like we're getting back into it. So it is the 15-minute chart. Keep that in mind. Like, it's not the end-all, be-all. Like, if this doesn't act the way we want, we're screwed, right? It's not the end-all, be-all. You have sort of a horizontal resistance on the 15-minute. I'm going to look for this to break out. If this breaks out right here, we could see a little bit of momentum to the upside here on the 15-minute time frame. The hourly played out pretty much exactly how we expected it to, right? We had this upward sloping channel here, bada bing. We talked about this morning. We had this upward sloping channel. We broke down from the upward sloping channel, came back up, back tested the 50 EMA, just like we talked about this morning, and then we dropped again, okay? And now we back tested the 786. So the question is, are we going to keep riding that 50 EMA down, right? It's what Bitcoin likes to do sometimes, is ride both the 20 and the 50 EMA down. So the question is right now, is Bitcoin going to do that same thing? Is it going to come back up, retrace again to the 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and then just continue its way back down? That's the question that we're waiting for right now. And I think a lot of it's going to have to do with the weekly and monthly close coming up tomorrow, man. I think that's quite frankly what's going to go down here. We have slight bullish divergence. We don't have bullish divergence on the RSI. So that's one thing that's kind of keeping me a little bit shady right now. Let's see. I wish 30K would come first, but I think 55K will, said 2W. We'll find out, man. We have ascending channel on the 1 hour. Ascending channel on the 1 hour. I think it already broke down, man. I think it already broke down. Roddy said, Jordan, just because I am being good tonight doesn't mean I am not watching. Roddy, I know you're watching, man. I saw you on Twitter, bro. Thanks for being here, man. Seriously. I don't know, man. Is it just me, guys, or like this is why I said like I might start trading a little bit just for fun. Like I don't expect to make any money out of it, but just for fun, just to pass some time, man. Because looking at the short-term time frame charts with no stake in it, right? Because it's boring right now. Usually when it's either bullish or bearish, you have stake in the short-term time frames because you're getting price action to one direction. Right now you're just sideways boring action. So it's like the short-term time frames. Like I don't have any stake in the short-term time frame. So I might start trading just so I have some stake in the short-term time frames that actually make me interested in the short-term time frames. Because right now the short-term time frames, I just have no interest in looking at them because they're just pointless. So, yeah, I mean, overall, if we look at this in a macro sense, the 4-hour wedge is still there, right? I mean, it's still there. We're still waiting for a break out of this, whether to the upside or downside. We said if this breaks to the downside, that would be not so good. That would show that Bitcoin's very, very bearish. When you break down from a falling wedge, that's not good, man. That's not good. Bada bing. When you break these to the upside, all right. I mean, typically we break to the upside, but it's going to be an interesting weekend, man. I think a lot's going to happen tomorrow. I think tomorrow with the monthly close coming up, that's going to be what we're looking at. LB said, "How bored is market?" to Jordan looking at the 15-minute time frame. Facts, man. It's so boring, man. It's so boring. I mostly just come on here to hang out with you guys, to be honest. Drew said, "Join my signals group. Only 0.3 ETH a month, and I'll get you 300% a month." Don't get me started about the trading groups. Can we do a quick rant alert?
Rant alert.
If someone could trade so good that they 100% confident that they could make a profit consistently, they wouldn't give out the secret for free. They would just keep making profit off of it and continuing to up their bets on it. I don't get the whole trading group thing. It makes no sense. To me, it's a shady business practice right away. Why wouldn't you just keep trading and just keep upping the amount you trade? You can make unlimited money that way if you have a perfect strategy. Why would you give out your secret? Makes no sense. Why?
Rant alert.
Because it's not actually a perfect strategy. One more time. I need a rant alert one more time. Because I'm juiced up right now.
Rant alert.
Come on. Can someone counteract that point that I just made, please? Someone, because I know some of you guys are in trading groups. Can someone counteract that to me? Someone, please. Clint said, "You're not a trader, bro. Don't do it, champ. Just go for more jogs." Fucking bitch. Clint's a bitch, man. Clint, you want to face me in a jog? I'll beat you. And I'll actually be motivated to beat you, so I'll sprint the whole time and not care about how tired I am. Come on, Clint. Actually, you know what, Clint? Face me in anything. I'll beat you. Face me in a game, any physical activity. If it could be physical, mental, anything, I'll beat you. 100%. Let me know the game. Let me know the activity. It's going to go down, Clint, and I'm going to beat you. Some people get high off helping people. Okay.
Rant alert.
They can help for free. Do they? All right, let's see. NASDAQ is up almost 8% after hours. I know a lot of things are up, and like the S&P. Look at the S&P today, guys. On the 1 hour, boop, right to the downside. So the S&P actually broke that range we were watching right there. That's why altcoins and Bitcoin look a little shady today. Mostly altcoins. Altcoins went down a good amount today. A lot. Like Harmony's down 10, Algo's down 9, Data's down 7, Matic's down 7, VeChain down 5. You got some pretty big losers there. So the S&P broke this range right there, man. So you're kind of saying if that range broke for the S&P, that would not be very good for the crypto market, man, because it generally follows, man. I know we want to do TA on Bitcoin, but I think sometimes it's better to just watch the stock markets, man, because that's going to show you the general direction of BTC. I know people hate talking about the S&P. I know people hate talking about the DXY. But that's the stuff that matters in the grand scheme of things. Not if Bitcoin's in a 4-hour wedge. right? Yes, that stuff matters at some point, but you got at times like this, you got to look at the broader picture, I think. So 4,059 is probably where that's going. Shows a little bit more downside there, in my opinion, on the S&P. So keep that in mind, guys. You buy Cadena today, 12%? No, Cadena's looking... I didn't actually buy any yet today, but Cadena is looking juicy, man. That's one that's going to... Cadena, Harmony... There's a couple that are going to be absolute gems in the next run, man. It's going to make life-changing money, man. Cadena is one of them, though. Like, the price that Cadena's at, it just broke the lows. Cadena could drop more, guys, so just be careful if you're trying to catch a falling knife on Cadena right now. This could drop a lot more just because you don't have a lot of support here, right? You guys see it was straight up here, so there's not a lot of support. This could come down a little bit further, so if you're trying to pick up some Cadena, you know, this could come, I wouldn't be surprised if this comes down to like 250. And I know that sounds like a huge drop and sounds impossible, but it's not going to happen in a straight line. Like, you could get a little bit more of a dump, come back up, retrace, dump a little bit more. That's only if Bitcoin drops to low 30Ks, in my opinion. But, you know, this could certainly come down more. Just be careful. I'm not saying go all in, but if you want to start DCA, and I said between 450 and 250, it's a good buys for Cadena for long term. One in Cadena breaking my wallet, said Daniel. Those are two of my my smaller caps that I'm accumulating. But other than that, guys, I mean, we're still in our crab range. You know, I know things look bearish today, and we want to act like the world is dying. We've been here a couple of times, right? We had this major drop right here, the world was ending. This major drop right here, the world was ending. We're seeing the same thing again. Everyone thinks the world's ending. I told you guys, like, until we break this range, man, it's still the crab range at the end of the day. You know, we've been up and down 3 times each. Until we break out of there, it's a crab. It's a crab market. Total 3 altcoins still in our crab range. This is getting a little bit closer to support, though, so keep an eye on this. But we're still just in the crab range at the end of the day. You know, something we have to walk about. What's going on, Mamba? FTM, so cheap, bro. Also, GRT bending me over so hard, I'm hurting. Yeah, GRT, I'm sure, is absolutely getting crushed, man. Getting crushed. But look at the market, man. Everything's getting crushed today. Everything's getting crushed. Okay, if you can't go through these times, you're not gonna make it, man. You're not gonna make it. Sloth. I'll buy Harmony, Algo, Matic all the way down. Let's see. One in KDA. That's a good point, Bathwater. Crypto is a worthless investment. Oh, we got these people coming back. This is what I want to see. I love when these people start coming back, man.
Rant alert.
I haven't seen these people since 2020, man. Because generally, more people that were in crypto like understand that it can go up. But when you start seeing these people come back, no, that's the bottom dweller. We need the echo chamber guy. Here's Mr. Echo Chamber. Crypto is a worthless investment. You see it? It just goes down forever. It's worthless. It's dead. It's never going to go back up again. It's never. We only have 3 countries adopting it now. You know? And the price isn't going up. We had 3 countries adopt it, and the price isn't going up. What is this, man? Crypto is a worthless investment. Absolutely worthless. You should invest in gold. You should invest in your savings account. You should invest in stocks. It's a worthless investment. Bitcoin is a scam.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common
chamber
sense.
guy.
And
This guy is
scientifically
nuts,
speaking,
man.
according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially
The hills
literate
have
invest in
eyes.
Bitcoin.
Oh, man. You got these guys coming back. I love when these guys come back. The Bank of Canada guy was right. It depends. Depends what you're looking at, man. Looks like Crypto Lifer. Just look like Crypto Lifer. What are you talking about, man? You're funny, dude. Michael said, when you're starting an afternoon stream so you can have 3 a day, need to keep up with the Georges. Dude, I couldn't do 3 streams a day. Not at this time. Like, maybe when the market's bullish. Or super bearish, right? If there's actually price action going on and not just staying in this range going boop, 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 boop. Maybe. Right now, nah. I don't even know how George does 3 streams a day, man. That dude's going to burn himself out real quick. I'm surprised he's not burned out already. Cocked. Oh, man. You got to love these times, man. The trolls are coming back saying Bitcoin's a scam. You know, you're seeing all the big influencers flipping bearish. You're seeing a lot of big influencers leaving the space. You love it, man. You know what this time is reminding me of? And I'm not going to say the same thing's going to happen. And honestly, if it was the same time, I wouldn't be mad at all. This time frame is reminding me a lot of down here. You can make the case that this is reminding me a lot of right here during this boring price action and a lot during right here during this boring price action. Either one, I'd be happy if that was that, because if it was either one of these, you know, you zoom out a year later, I mean, you're going to be up to at least 2x on that investment. So either way, I'd be happy. But it's reminding me a lot of just this time right here. After you saw the big dump off already 2018, really this time frame right here. This is what reminds me of, man. All the big influencers flipping bearish, calling for way lower prices, a bunch of them quitting. Just no one interested in the space at all. That's what this time frame is reminding me of. It's beautiful, man. It's quite beautiful in the grand scheme of things, because you know the people that are in the space know what's coming and know that you're going to get the last laugh. And everyone who's leaving the space is going to be FOMOing to the next Floki Inu, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin at the top again, whenever the next cycle is. That's what's exciting about this, man. You got to get all the people who are leaving right now, not coming back until their favorite meme coin is at all-time highs. That's what's exciting, man. It's probably going to be, what meme coin is going to be? It's probably going to be Pussy Financial, man. I'm telling you, Pussy Financial. That's going to be it. Carl from the Moon just bought a Honda Civic. Nice, man. It's better than a Lambo, in my opinion. The floor fell out that motherfucker. Oh, man. Inverse head and shoulders on the 15-minute. Yeah, I actually saw that earlier. Right here. Might get rejected, though. What's up, Dee? Jabba time? Let's wait for a dump for Jabba, man. Let's wait for a dump for Jabba. Nah, it's going to be 8. I'd be cool with that, too, man. I'd be cool with 8. Guys, I own... You guys might not think, but I own some meme coins, man. You guys know I do. I own some meme coins. For whenever the next run-up is. Because whenever the next... Here's the thing. Whenever the next run-up's going to happen, you know the meme coins are going to go off. I think... Here's the thing. Here's the thing about meme coins. There's a time and a place. If you can get in super low on them, I think at the time and the place is good. My issue with meme coins is when people try to jump in when everyone's already talking about them, you know? That's sort of my issue with meme coins. But if you can get in super early on the meme coins... I think you do it, man. Even if it's like $100. You don't know which one's going to go off, though. That's the thing. Take a look at Costa. Nah. I don't want to look at Costa, man. Whatever happened to that V-Launch thing, too? You know V-Launch? All right, what else can we look at here? DXY. Like I said, today's probably going to be a shorter stream, man. There's not much to talk about. It's Friday. You know what I mean? Let's see what DXY is doing. We already streamed earlier today, too. What's the DXY doing? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that bullish divergence is playing out, man. I sort of said yesterday, you know, a lot of people call, oh, the DXY head and shoulders. I didn't see it as a head and shoulders. I saw more of like a bullish divergence move back to the upside here. Looks like you're also breaking back above the 50 and 20 EMAs with plenty of room to run in the 1 hour. I mean, listen, DXY looks like it wants to continue back up higher here going into next week. Classic bullish div, retrace. It just looks like it wants to continue higher, man. You know, at least in the shorter term time frames. 4 hours, kind of the same thing. 4 hour stocks are bottomed out. Yeah, this looks like it just wants to continue higher, man. As much as I want this to get rejected, I mean, it's just a perfect retrace of the 20 EMA, bullish div, 4 hour stocks bottomed out. The DXY just looks like it's going to break through here. And I don't want that to happen. Trust me, I don't want that to happen. That's what it's looking like, you know? That's what it's looking like, man. Jory, stay till close? Oh, we're staying at least till close, man. Come on. You know we're at least staying till close. Cheers, though. Cheers. Clint, what kind of wine are you drinking, man? What kind of wine are you drinking, bro? Who's drinking wine in the chat? Let me know. Are you drinking some Cabernet? You being a little sweetie and drinking some Moscato? You drinking some, what else do we got? Freaking, shit, man. Why do I forget? The other, I forget, man. Why do I forget? It's been so long. The other red wine. You guys can tell me which one, what flavor it is. You guys know the kind. I know what it is. It's on the tip of my tongue. I just can't think of it. You guys know. Gin, nice. Wine sucks. Smoking bud. Beer, water. Nice, man. You're doing the right thing drinking water. Bordeaux. I'm not drinking wine, but I am whining, though. No more Fiat. Already finished my wine. Nice, Rocky. It's early, man. Tea, Merlot. Yeah, Merlot. That's what it is. Merlot. There you go. There you go. Merlot. Merlot's the other popular one. I don't know why I couldn't think of the name. Malbec. Malbec. Oh, you guys are killing it in the chat. Curlo said, bro, stop looking away whenever I comment. Why would I do that, man? I don't care that much. Pinot Noir. There you go. Jen knows all of them. Cocoa Puffs. Cab. You guys are killing it. I only drink water and liquor. No coffee? You don't drink anything in the morning, bro? Ronnie's drinking Henny. And Henny's nasty, man. In my opinion. Coffee. Sangria. Nah, man. Sangria, I don't really like either. It's too, if I'm gonna, why drink sangria? I can just drink wine, you know? That's the way I look at it. All right. Let's, I know we're kind of just shooting the crap right now. Let me look at GRT for Mamba, because GRT was like, he said GRT was bending him over. What do you get bent over, man? You getting bent over a trash can, a toilet? Depends what you're getting bent over. Let's see GRT. GRT. Hey, it's still holding the range, man. We gotta celebrate a little bit here. We're still holding the range. Kind of like this. Boop. Boop. Still holding the general range. You don't want to break that for GRT, though. Could be smooth sailing to the downside if that breaks. Probably come take this wick. Right? 23.3. So, as long as you can to hold that, I think it's all good. But I'll say this. Like, the daily stocks are getting a little overbought here. Daily RSI has room to run down. Looks like you're getting fat rejections from the 50 and 20. This looks like it wants to at least come back down and test the 30-cent range again. At least one more time, man. As sucky as that sounds, like Jabba's licking his lips at this right now. Jabba's looking at this and going, oh my God. Where's my guy? I mean, this guy. This looks like a toasty shore. Wow. Mamba, thank you. Savvy, do you see GRT? I know you only like to talk about Bitcoin and Litecoin. Do you see this? Oh my god, this is such a good short opportunity. Mamba, thank you. He's looking at it like a freaking Chinese food. But yeah. Job is looking at that really nicely, man. GRT going to 3 cents. That'd be brutal. Drinking water all day, about to get me a glass of gin. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Simple said, I'm glad you're exciting people having to leave crypto because they lost all their money. Hey, man. Listen, I didn't tell them to invest. If they wanted to buy high, that's on them, man. You know me. I always say buy the freaking dips. If they wanted to buy at all-time highs, well, that's on them, man. That's on them. And I've done it before, so I get it. It is what it is. You thirsty? Fantastic, man. Stoked about this new job. There you go, Sir Leash. Keep stacking the bread, man. Stack the bread. You'll be able to invest when the markets are low. That's how you make generational wealth, man. People think you make generational wealth working. No, you don't make generational wealth working. You put your money working for you. That's how you make it, okay? You don't go out and slave. That's not how you get rich. You slave and invest that money, okay, smartly to make passive income, and I hope your investments do well, right? I mean, at the end of the day, that's how it works, man. But yeah, nice job, man. Keep killing it, bro. That feeling when buying the dips and it keeps dipping. True. Very true, man. You know how many... I bought a lot of dips too, man. I bought, looking back at it, let's see how many dips that I bought, man. I bought this dip right here. 100% this dip. I think I bought some BTC right here at like 54K. Somewhere around this range. And then I definitely bought some in here. Dip more. I definitely bought some here. And I definitely bought a lot down here. So, yeah, I've been buying two all the way down. It is what it is. I know one day it'll be up and it's not going to matter. You know what I mean? That Stack is Phantom dead? Has a huge head and shoulders on all-time chart. Is Phantom dead? I don't think Phantom's dead. It just looks like a lot of different altcoins right now, man. You know what I mean? A lot of altcoins are getting crushed today. Apecoin's getting Apecoin. We'll get Apecoin in a sec. Apecoin's coming down. I took a little bit of profits on Apecoin. I told you guys that earlier this morning. But yeah, Phantom's looking interesting, man. Phantom is breaking down. It broke from that previous highs, man. Now it's breaking this previous wick high. Phantom is coming down hot and heavy. 83 cents on Phantom, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Down from 350 all-time highs. Phantom's probably got a little bit more to go, for being honest here. Back down to 60 cents. It sounds crazy, but these alts can move down fast. Especially if Bitcoin comes down, these alts can move down pretty damn fast. Pretty damn fast. And it looks like the hope for Phantom was like this falling wedge. It looks like that also broke to the downside too. So that hope has kind of gone out the headway here. But yeah, I can see Phantom dropping more too. Daily RSI is getting down there, right? Doesn't mean it can't drop lower. It certainly can if Bitcoin drops. Daily stock RSI is also bottomed out, so you might see a small retrace. I'm not saying it's going to just drop straight to 60 cents, but could see a small retrace before a continuation down. You know, depending on what Bitcoin does. Drew said, "I get so scared at more time to accumulate. The best performing asset in history. Gosh, I think I'll sell at a loss." There you go, man. You know it, dude. I think I'll sell at a loss. I'm not selling. Seems like 8 might dump a bit after the land sale. Yeah. Apes down to 1910. We sort of said, like, it was at its 3.618 fib. Like, this thing was moving up despite the market going nuts, right? I mean, it was due. This was a shorter term fib. We took it from this high to this high on the 4 hour. Perfectly smacked at 3.618. Closed right at the 2.618. I mean, we could have sort of said, I mean, this thing was due for a pullback, man. I mean, that's why I told you guys not to FOMO into Ape. Yeah, and you retrace to the 50 EMA. So, I mean, we'll see if we come lower, but you did get a slight retrace down to the 50 EMA. Assets, I've noticed, like to come back to the 50 EMA a lot of the times. So that's another one, you know. You broke this trend line as well. Smacked it. Watch the 50 EMA breaks. I mean, might come back to the 200, but it's another one. It's another one, man. Just be careful. I always say, any coin that's in all-time highs when Bitcoin's looking a little shady, I don't really recommend FOMOing at the time, man. More drag racing in the background. Listen, man, I don't tell these idiots to buy cars that are loud, okay? I try to tell them it's not cool. Yeah, let's buy a Honda Civic or a Toyota Corolla and make it super loud, man. Yeah! Woo! That makes my chest big. Woohoo! No, I don't tell them to do that. I think that's dumb, man. Listen, if you want to have a loud car, at least make it a cool car. Okay? Don't make it a Corolla, a Civic, a Subaru WRX. Don't give me one of these cars that's loud. Okay? At least give me something that's cool. If it's going to be loud, man. That's all I'll say. What's up, Dildo? Dildo Schwaggins. Yeah, I'm shorting Ape hard. I mean, your name is Dildo, man. So you got to do a lot of things hard. My Porsche's loud? There you go, man. At least it's something cool. Can you do a Kyber network? I've seen Civics that do 7-second pass. Nice. Nice burners. My favorite is, there's nothing wrong with those cars, man. It's more so you have a normal basic car and then you purposely make it loud. It's not like you make it fast. You make like you just make it loud for no reason, man. A polished turd is still a turd. Kind of reading the chat here, guys. Just reading the chat. I'm chilling. You gotta throw a exhaust on the Corolla. My favorite is people who buy a Corolla and they put the no offense to this is you guys, but my favorite is the people who buy a Corolla and they put a freaking god damn, what's it called, bro? They put the freaking thing on the back. That's literally the best thing. Give us an exit strategy. We need some pumps to get an exit strategy, man. No, but listen, like at some point, I think we'll get a golden retrace. It's just a matter of when, man. Like, I mean, this could have been the golden retrace in theory, right? When we did this big run up to 69K. At some point, I think we're gonna get a retrace, and not just like a little mini retrace like this, but you know, even if this dumps down to here again, you know what I mean? At some point, I think we'll get a retrace back up to the golden pocket. I think a lot of people think that, though, you know? So my theory is if you were looking to take profits, I mean, set a simple fib and take profits at the fib levels on the way up, you know? But at this point, I'm just stacking for long term, man. That's what I'm doing at this point. Because in all honesty, like I always say, like all this short-term price action is not going to matter at the end of the day. Whenever the next bull market happens, which it will happen, you guys see the adoption going on. You have 2 new countries just adopting Bitcoin in the last couple weeks, man. It's happening, okay? It's only a matter of time. The whole market's in shambles. The whole economy's in shambles. That's why you're seeing Bitcoin go down. If you know what's coming, this shit's not going to matter at the end of the day, man. It's not. It's not going to matter one bit. So, I mean, at the end of the day, you're better off just accumulating for long-term holds at this point. Jordan, what's Dookie Safe Moon doing? I haven't looked at Safe Moon in so long. Let's look at it. Safe Moon. Let's see if it's safe. Let's see. Dookie Safe Moon. Wait, no, this is not the... Hold on. This is not the right chart, man. Hold on. I thought that was the legit chart. It's gate.io. I remember when people were telling me Safe Moon. You guys remember when people used to argue with me in the chats, telling me Safe Moon was going to be the next big thing? Safe Moon going to the top 10. Let's see. And I used to tell them, bro, it's not going to the top 10. Let's see, Safe Moon. Yeah, this is when people are arguing with me. That's what they get, man. You guys can't even see it. It's all the way down here. Has no liquidity. Like, it's just going straight. Has no liquidity at all coming in. Congratulations, Safe Mooners. You have one-upped yourself. And yes, I have a pit stain. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. That's not the point of this video. Okay? Not my pit stain. You know what? I'm proud of my pit stain. It's the people that would have a pit stain and act like they didn't have one. I got one, man. Everyone has pit stains. Accept it, bro. Why does my arm look so white in this? Holy moly. It looks so white. It's not that white, I swear. Safe drama. People used to argue with me about Safe Moon, man. Those are the times. She dead. Don't let Bob see that. I don't even think Bob owns Safe Moon anymore. Safe rug. I told you guys, anything with the word safe in it, run. You know that meme that it's like, run. Friggin' run, man. Oh, I forgot to get up that meme. There was this funny meme that Maya showed me today. What was it? It was this picture of like this woman in the clouds, like pissed off with like a bitch face. And the caption was, when you marry a guy for his money and you die first. When you marry an old man for his money and you die first. And there was this young chick in the clouds pissed off. It was one of the funniest memes I've seen in a long time, man. It's just so true. That's why it's funny. BTC to the moon. George would advise you to wear a tank top. Next move. Wrecked. Wrecked when you die first. She got wrecked. She got rug pulled by God. Oh man, that's what she deserves, I guess. I saw that meme. That's a great meme, man. Like that makes an all-time high meme, man. You know. All right. What else can we look at? She got rug pulled. Oh, that's funny, man. That's funny. What else can we look at? Daily time frame. Still in this bear flag. I mean, at the end of the day, higher highs, higher lows coming in. Right? And until we break this, I mean, can we get really, really pooped? No. We're still in this. Now, we're coming up on it. This could be the moment of truth. Like, we have a moment of truth on the monthly, moment of truth on the weekly, moment of truth on the daily coming. Interesting times are coming. It's either we get a bounce or we're going. We're going, man. We're doing this dump. I hope it's a capitulation, man. I want to see people capitulate. At this point, it is what it is. If Bitcoin wants to go to 30K, bring it on, man. Freaking dump it. I want to see capitulation. I want to see people on Twitter so bearish. I want to see people crying in Twitter comments. I want to see people just... Listen, and I'm in the same boat. I'm not saying this as like someone who doesn't care. I own crypto too. So the same thing's happening to me. But I know how this market works. I want to see people crying. I want to see people depressed. I know this sounds messed up, but the people that stick around, it'll all be worth it. That's what I want to see, okay? Because that's what happened in 2019. Everyone was freaking depressed. It was boring, depressing. Everyone was depressed. That's what happened in 2020 as well, man. Everyone was depressed. Jordan wants to watch the world burn. Yes, man, because when the world burns, that's when the best opportunities come. Look at the freaking pandemic crash. That's when you got the best opportunity of all time. You made it quick 2x if you just invested during the freaking COVID crash, man. I just want to see it do something new, whatever it is. Facts. Jordan sold? No, I didn't.
Nope.
What do you think about GMT? Your opinion on it overall?
The ones that can afford the crash. Save me, Tom Cruise. My hair's on fire. My hair's on fire. Keith said, if you didn't stream, I would have sold months ago. They figured out. Keith, that's a good one, man. Good for you, man.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Keith said, if you didn't stream, I would have sold months ago. Keith, you know this stream's for entertainment purposes only, man. I always tell you, don't listen to anyone. No one knows shit in this market, man. Not even the smartest people know anything in this market. I know everyone thinks everyone's smart. No one knows anything. BitBoy, Crypto, Ben Cowan, Blockchain Backer, okay? Me, Eric Krohn, okay? Carl, Altcoin Daily, Lark. None of these guys don't know anything, okay? Bitcoin's going to do what it wants to do. All these guys have been wrong at one point. No one knows shit, man. I've been telling you guys this forever. Oh, man. This stream is for therapy. Facts, man. We have fun on the stream. That's what we do. Jordan kicked the Bears. BitBoy knows what's going on. Savvy. Yep, Savvy doesn't know what's going on. Plan B. Yep, you can make the list go on, man. No one knows. 50-50 better than the lottery. True, man. You have a better chance. You have a better chance, yeah. WTF, you talking about? Rover does? True. Ben Cowan thinks he's God. Listen, man. I like Ben because he has a. I'll say this about Ben, right? I know a lot of you guys like him, and I do too. I've always told you he was one of the people that I watched. I'll say this. I think people think he's smarter than he is. I think people think that he knows he's all knowing. But what I like about Ben, and he's not. I mean, no one knows anything, man. I'm not saying I am either. No one knows anything. What I'll say is this, okay? At least he looks at the market in a non-completely biased way, okay? That's what I'll say about Ben. That's one of the only people. That's why he's one of the only people I watch, is because he looks at it as, all right, you know, this is how it is, man. I mean, it's not, you know, we're constantly looking at these Fibonacci levels to 200K, 300K every day on Twitter, man. I mean, it's not what it's about, you know? It's not what it's about. Clint said, some advice for your break. Here we go. When you buy your dips, don't use more than 5% of your capital buying junk bonds. I mean alts. Use 95% between Bitcoin and ETH. No shit, Clint. What do you think? I'm a noob? At this point, probably 75% of my portfolio is in ETH and Bitcoin. Clint, do you think I'm a noob? Do you think I'm a noob? Obviously, at the market tops, I mean, it's a little higher because altcoins have a higher dominance, right? But, Clint, do you think I'm a noob? I know you don't think I'm a noob, Clint. That's why you watch me every day. Webcam's back. The webcam. Hot girls and boys video chat is back. That's funny. Clint might be my dad. 95% Amber Turd. Yes, I do. All right, Clint. Clint's funny, man. All right, Clint. Clint, tell me when you got in crypto. Tell me. Tell me when you got in crypto. Tell me when you got it. And I'm not saying I'm smarter than you. But here's what I'll say, man. If we take life percentage gains, you take your stock market expertise over your, your 50 years, okay? And I take my crypto gain percentages. Something tells me my crypto gain percentages are higher. Something tells me, man.
Rant alert.
Clint is an OG. Just saying, Clint. Now, Clint, you might have more money than me overall, but I bet my percentages are higher. Okay? That's all I'm saying. But you also have like 30, 40 years on me, so I hope you have more money than me. Know what I mean? Because I'll tell you, in 30, 40 years, I'll have more money than you do now.
Rant alert.
I'll tell you that. At night, not last. I got in crypto back when John Wayne nabbed the Oscar. Nice. Unzips. You know what, bathwater. BitBoy teaching to short. BitBoy's teaching to short now? Oh, God. It's over. It's over, man. Hodl. Alt's getting the Will Smith treatment. BTC. Yeah, because the DXY will be 5,000. I'm waiting for Clint's response, man. Clint, I'm just kidding with you too, man. It's all good. I like to pick on you, Ben. I know you like to pick on me too, man. Late 2020, early 2021. There you go, man.
Rant alert.
So you're like the herd. Oh, hold on. Wait, answer your super chat. I don't know what your question was, man. You didn't put a question in there. You just gave me advice. I'm confused. I'm just reading the chat today, guys. I'm hanging out, man. Listen, there's a reason a lot of these TA guys are dipping, man, because there's not a lot to talk about. But I'm gonna keep coming on here every single day, man. Even if it's just us coming on here shooting the crap, man. It makes days go by. I have fun with it. You guys like hanging out. I like trolling you guys. It is what it is. Thanks for streaming and sharing, bro. Love from New Zealand. Thanks for hanging out, Rochdale. Thank you, dude. Cheers. Almost time for some more wine here. We're getting there. Yes. Thank you very much. Janky. Guys, I'm learning Polish, by the way. Let's see. I'm a crap shooter. Oh, Billy said my super chat was before Clint's. Oh, I see you, Billy. My bad, man. I got you, Billy. I see you, man. All right, let's see. Look at Safe Moon. Go in search of a new fractal, dude. Trust me, man. I've been looking for fractals. There's no fractals, man. This price action is very unique. There is 0 fractals of sideways boring action for 4 months. That literally is painful to the nutsack. That's how painful it is. All right, GMT, which is step-in, which I'm still... Dude, you gotta be kidding me, man. Look at this thing. Actually, it's not up that much. I'm over-exaggerating. But yeah, this is another one. Just be careful these coins pumping up. I mean, Steppen's already gone up so much, man. And just be careful these ones that pumped up so much during these times, because if Bitcoin has another dump, I think Steppen could come down too. It looks a lot like Ape, right? You got this rising wedge, which Ape wasn't a rising wedge. Don't get me wrong. It broke to the upside, and then it dropped. This one, you just got massive bearish divergence coming in. Look at this. You got lower highs coming in. What is this? Why am I getting spammed with a fun time? What is this? What is this best cams keep coming in, man? Why am I getting spammed with a good time? But lower highs, higher highs coming in. Classic bearish divergence, right? Classic bearish divergence. Let's see what happens, but I don't like rising wedges with bearish div. I don't like that, man. So just be careful of that. Could it go up a little bit more? Absolutely. But, you know, this one's already gone up so much, I wouldn't be FOMOing. Just like Ape, I wouldn't be FOMOing in, man. You're right at the 1.618 Fibonacci as well. Kind of getting this bearish divergence right at the 1.618. Doesn't mean it can't go up, but I wouldn't be buying GMT at that level right there, man. I'm a hot boy. George is spamming. Why is it George? Don't tell Jordan, but I'm a bot. Johnny, you're not a bot, man. I know you're not a bot, John. Me and John have gotten a little bit of a tiff in the chat today. Not before, too. John, didn't me and you get a tiff in the chat before and we made up and now we're friends? I've gotten into a tiff with a lot of people in the chat. All right, can you guys raise your hand in the chat? If I've ever picked on you in the chat, we got a little bit of tiff and we made up. Let me know in the chat. I've gotten into a lot of fights in the chat. Not fights, but little tiffs. Want to go laugh? Watch Jordan's first video clip on his channel. Oh, it's brutal, man. It's brutal. It's brutal, man. I came a long way from there in many different ways. Many different ways. What's up, LB? May I bet on percentage gain with LB? LB, listen. It depends on what coins you got in, man. To be honest. Look at more. Don't buy, but short. LOL. This guy can't trade at all. Bro, you just spelt Look at this guy. You must be trolling, bro. There's no way you're not trolling. Look at this guy, Moenum1 in the chat, man. This is too funny. I love it. Bro, you can't troll me. You know how long I've been doing this? I've streamed for thousands, tens of thousands of hours. You cannot troll the troll. You must be trolling, man. You cannot get under my skin on the stream anymore. There's no way you can. Look at this. He said, look at him, man. Look at how he spelled trade. Don't buy, but short. LOL. This guy can't trade at all. Oh, crap. How do I spell trade? How do I spell trade? T-R... Shit. A... How do I spell trade? I... D... Oh, shit. I think I spelled it right. Hold on. Let me do it back again. T... R... A... I... T... D... Oh, God, man. He spelled it T-R-I-D. I'm gonna troll and spell trade wrong. Oh, God, man. Oh, it's too good. That's gold right there. It's not even the only thing he spelled wrong. He spelled multiple things wrong there. You're gonna troll when you can't spell. Come on, man.
It's later. I think he's on the. He said he's from Holland.
Yeah. Let's see. Bad spelling is the first spine. I went and watched a few minutes of video number 1, Jordan. You've hella approved. Well done, man. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. I hope I did at this point. Elementary school is not what it used to be. Oh, God. Boss, it's time for the meds. No, man, we're good. I took my pre-workout earlier, man. Why is everyone always, every time I do that, everyone's always like, Jordan, do you smoke weed? Listen, man. I don't. There was a time that I did. I don't anymore. To me, it makes you lazy. Makes you have no drive in life. Listen, this is just my opinion. Some people might have different views on it. For me, that's the effect it had on me. Okay? So that's why I stopped doing it. But some people can do it and still, I guess, do their thing, you know? School is useless now. Bearish on education. Now, don't get me wrong. If you came up to me with a joint and say, hey, Jordan, you want to smoke this? I would say yes. Don't get me wrong, man. But I'm not going to go buy it myself, though. Arm day every day? Oh. Arm day every day. Actually, yes. Arm day. I switch off between biceps and triceps every day. Yep. Yup. I'm very, very sore on my triceps right now. They're like cobras. Just kidding. They're not cobras. They're getting there, though. Because I'm a German boxer. Every time someone gives me a compliment, I always take it like, and I amplify it like 100x. Hit this back rock. His spelling retraced to the 50. It did retrace to the .618, man. Leg day. Wait, hold on. Leg day 3 times a week? Yeah, man. I've been doing like 1 time a week lately. You know the reason why? Because I had this freaking, my back, man. My back was all getting jacked up. Kegel's most underrated workout? Facts, man. If you know about the Kegels, let me know. Let me know if you do Kegels in the chat. Can't afford a joint because all his money is in crypto. True, man. True. What's better? Spending $20 on a bag or $20 on Cardano? Some might say $20 on a bag. Who knows? What else you guys saying in here? Oh, Alexander, that was you, man. That was you on IG. Talking about arms. Nice, man. Bob loves neck day. What, traps? Oh. Traps. Forearms, 21x a week. Oh, God. Forearms, 21x a week. That's funny. Doing them right now? What are you saying? What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
What was this? Oh, God. Here we go.
Polish people in the chat.
Yeah? Jordan definitely never skips head day?
Nope.
God, what time is it? 8:09? I said I would stay for the daily close. Daily close happened. Guys, today is not really the important day, man. Today is the, how should I call this? Today is the precursor to tomorrow. Tomorrow is the monthly close. And then Sunday's the weekly close. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting. So I need you guys to watch it for me, man. Watch it for me closely. We want to get it close above 38,480, like we said, above the 20 and above the 20 EMA, preferably. They happen to be right around the same levels. Coincidence? I don't think so. I don't think so whatsoever. Look at the volume on the monthly, man. You had a pretty big red candle here, but the volume's just falling off a cliff, dude. Yeah, you got to think a move's coming soon. I mean, this is the lowest volume we had on the monthly since... The lowest volume we had on the monthly since... Since October 2018? Is this legit? On this one. On this exchange. Since October of 2018. And interesting enough, I mean, the last time we had volume this low... So we'll see what happens, right? But the volume's low, man. Volume's low. All right, guys. I'm going to get off. I'm going to go enjoy Friday. We've been talking about absolutely nothing today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Adios. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic, sell yo crypto. Adios, boys. Oh, wait. Blue Collar Jose said, what's your take on this recession talk? I think it could happen, man. You don't know. Everyone's expecting the recession, so we'll see if it does happen, man. Because everyone's expecting it, right? When everyone expects it, does it happen? We'll find out, right? KC said, hey, Jay, thoughts on ACH? Let me do ACH real quick for KC. Let me see, man. Let me do it. ACH. And then we'll head out for the day. ACH. Right here. Bada bing. Yeah, ACH breaking the lows. Ah, man. That's not looking good. You have no support. Zero support on ACH, man. Smack it to the downside. So, yeah, man. I would say this on ACH. Because you're getting like what's called black screen territory. Man, you really got nothing, bro. Nothing. It's crazy. Yeah, you got nothing. you got green candles, bonk, to the downside. So, I don't really got nothing for you, man. All I'll say is the daily RSI is overbought, right? Or oversold. So, you would think you got to get a short-term bounce here. I could see a short-term bounce back up to the 2050 EMAs, but then you kind of decide what you want to do from there, you know? Ryan said volume isn't there till it is. Facts, man. That's true. That's very, very true. All right. Adios, man. Peace.